And thank you for collaborating with Alex Bruce and Horizon.
Thank you.
I've met Horizon and they're very nice and talented also. So thank you so much. I'm just curious, can you tell me more about this music scene in Cambodia? Like, what are the trends? What's popular now? Do you see any similarities between music in the Philippines and music in Cambodia? Also with the fans or the music fans in Cambodia. Also, like the music fans in the Philippines, we really love our music. We're crazy about music. We sing everywhere. So, would you be able to share any similarities and the differences? Thank you. I'm sorry. Differences and similarities, Cambodian music and Filipino music, and what's like popular in Cambodia now when it comes to music. Yeah, thank you.
À, ជាធម្មតាបើសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំឃើញថាចម្រៀង trend សម្រាប់នៅកម្ពុជានិងនៅហ្វីលីពីនគឺចែកដាច់ពីគ្នាទី1សម្រាប់ចម្រៀងនៅកម្ពុជាគឺយើងចូលចិត្តចម្រៀងបែបមនោសញ្ចេតនាខ្លះហើយបែបរាំសប្បាយខ្លះប៉ុន្តែសម្រាប់នៅហ្វីលីពីនគឺប្លែកមួយត្រង់ថាក្រុមបទចម្រៀងដែលយើងមក perform គឺគាត់ងាយនឹងសម្របខ្លួនចូលអញ្ចឹងនេះជាហេតុផលមួយដែរដែលខ្ញុំឃើញថានេះជាទីផ្សារថ្មីមួយដែលយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមបើកហើយបើសិនជាយល់ឃើញថាខុសគ្នាខ្លាំងឬអត់មិនខ្លាំងទេប៉ុន្តែខុសគ្នា
For Cambodian music trend, Cambodian people love pop, romantic sad songs, and it's a little bit of like modern hip hop. Comparing to Philippines, like we can feel that all the genre music, all the Filipino like it. Like even the performance last time that we have like 5-6 songs, they all enjoy the music. So that's what we find in the different and similarity. Yeah.